Now, today we will discuss in previous last lecture only discuss in what is quantum whale, quantum wire, and the quantum dots. Now, these parts in detail we will discuss in today. What is quantum whale, quantum wire, and the quantum dots. Now, quantum whale is the two-dimensional structure or the dimensionless structures for the 2D. It is the two dimensionals. This is called as the quantum wells. Now, this is arise from these systems to electron resign from the de Broglie wavelengths that occurs in the one dimensional only. It is a restrictions for the electrons in the z directions, that is the free motions in the x and y directions. It is called as a two-dimensional. It is created in the quantum whale directions. This is the structure for two-dimensional structures like as the found in the x, y and the z planes. That is the structures from schematic representations of the quantum whales and number of quantums, it is electron in the electron transport in the quantum whales conditions. This is called as the quantum whales. Now this is the dispersions for the electrons and the mediums, that is we have to find out the equations of the three-dimensional systems of the quantum whale. Is energy is E is equal to h cross square kx square divided by mx plus ky square plus my plus kz square upon mz. It, in two dimensional, find out these equations, that is energy E is equal to h cross square divided by 2 kx square divided by mx plus ky square divided by my plus ECN, that is called as the ECN. That means the energy is confined for the z directions, that is Schrodinger wave in the z directions is equal to h cross square divided by twice m v square is plus u0 psi of z is equal to e psi of z. This is the Schrodinger wave equations in the quantum whales. It is the infinite systems or the quantum whale potentials barriers, that is the wavelength or the wave numbers of the z directions, that is kz is equal to n pi upon d, that is the n is the number of values, that is the numbers n 1 2 up to n numbers. Now then find out the energy for the z directions can be expressed in here. ECN is equal to h cross square k z square divided by 2mz is equal to h cross square n square pi square divided by twice mz d square. This is the equations for the nth energy for the z directions only. Now these equations, the electron energy, it is put here these values in the kinetic energy, that is the electron can be exposed from E is equal to h cross square divided by 2 in bracket kx square divided by mx plus ky square divided by my plus h cross square n square pi square divided by twice mz d square. This is the equations for the kinetic energy or the total number of energy we can find here the electrons, that is the two-dimensional structures. Now next we will find out the density of states of these structures. We have to develop the densities, that is the two-dimensional systems, then find out the total energy of the arbitrary constant k and the m's. Then E is equal to h cross square k square divided by twice m dash is equal to h cross square divided by 2 kx square divided by m dash plus ky square divided by m dash plus bracket close h cross square n square pi square divided by twice mz d square. Then find out the constant k of the original parameters, that is equal to kx square divided by mx is equal to k dash x square divided by m dash. which is equal to kx, that means square root of mx divided by m into kx. And also find out the y directions, that is ky is equal to square root of my divided by m ky, k dash y. Now two dimensional systems, we can arbitrary constants in the x and y directions. We can find here the only dk is equal to dkx into dky is equal to square root of mx my divided by m dash, that is the dkx dash dky dash is equal to square root of mx my divided by m dash into 2 pi k dash dk dash. This is the equations for the density of states of two-dimensional systems. Now the area for the two-dimensional crystals, that is the number of states in between the k and k plus dk. In the perfect two-dimensional space, we can obtain here n of k dk is equal to 2.2 pi k dash square root of mx my divided by 2 pi upon l bracket square into m dash into dk dash. This is the factors for two electron spin numbers, that is the Pauli exclusion principles. Density of states per unit area, that is the G of kdk is equal to n kdk, that is divided by L square is equal to k dash square root of mx my divided by pi into m dash dk dash. Now this is the equations for the dk dash divided by dk is equal to twice m 1/2 divided by 2h into e raised to half. These equations integrating the partially differentiates. Then the density of states, it is a two dimensionals, that is the per unit states per unit area for the each values k into x and y directions. Now this is the energy for the equations of the density of states. Then m dx or the m dash value, it is a two-dimensional effective mass, it is square root of mx into my, that is confined for the energies, that is E0 or number of electrons, that is the ones. We can define here, that is E0 is equal to h square pi square divided by twice mz d square. This is the equations for the effective mass. Then two-dimensional equations or the z directions, that is the states per unit volumes. It is finally defined here the densities. G of two-dimensional E is equal to md star pi h cross square divided into d, that is md is equal to square root of mx into my. Now this is the structure for the energy versus wavelengths or the quasi-quantum wells of structures. That is energy, number of energy states we can define here E0, 4 E0, 9 E0 and the 16 E0. That means the number of electrons also changes, the energy is also changes, that is increase in energies. That is the no state, that is the first conditions, it is E0. One states, that is or G is equal to 0, that means the four energies for particles can be accelerated here. Then second is the structure for the energy versus quantum density of states of the quantum wells, that is the corresponding density of states for the three-dimensional systems. It is comparison for the energies we can define here. Now this is the strategy for design the density of states and the electrons, that is Fermi energy is reduced for the dimensionless, and these quantum wells can be sandwiching from the two different other materials, for example gallium and arsenics. Now we can use here the gallium arsenic and the aluminum arsenic material are used. This is the band diagram for quantum wells. That is the barriers. Two barriers are used, that is the quantum wells. Electron transportations for the energy, that is the conduction band of these compositional quantum wells. This barrier, the barrier prevent of the transmission of low electrons and the allows only high energy electrons. These results can be found in the power factors. This is the energy levels for the quantum wells, that is the effective mass is reduced to the lasers, that is the first three subbands energy levels at its k start from 0 and the quantum waste is regimes to quantum well barriers, and this electron mass of the z directions is equal to the effective mass of cubic structure for the electrons. This is the example for quantum wells. Now next one is the quantum wires. The quantum wires is the electrons to regions. It is comparable to the de Broglie wavelengths, that is occurs in the two dimensionals only, that is the no restrictions motions electrons in the z and y directions, that is free motions in the x directions, and one dimensional electrons it is created for the figures. Now this is the figures for or the schematic representation for the quantum wires. In only one dimensional systems of the quantum wire, the total energy for this energy is equal to h cross square kx square divided by twice mx plus pi square h cross square n square divided by twice my d square plus pi square h cross square l square divided by twice mz d square. That is the n is the number of electrons and the l is the number of particles. Now the density of states we can find here in the one dimensional systems. This is the strict from the one dimensional systems. Then the total energy of electrons we can find here E is equal to h cross square k dash square divided by twice m dash is equal to h cross square kx x dash square divided by twice m dash plus pi square h cross square n square divided by twice my d square plus pi square h cross square l square divided by twice mz d square. Now then the arbitrary constant we can find here kx square divided by mx is equal to kx dash square divided by m dash, that this leads from the kx is equal to square root of mx divided by m dash kx dash square. Now find out the one dimensional systems of the dk is equal to square root of mx divided by m dash into dkx dash. This is the length for the smallest wave vectors, that is the one dimensional crystals, that is the 2 pi divided by L. The number of states of the k and the k plus dk in the one dimensional space. We can obtain here n of k dk is equal to 2 upon 2 pi upon L square root of mx upon m dash into dk x dash. This is the two Pauli exclusion principles or the two electron spin in the density of states per unit length. Now g of k is into dk is equal to n of k dk is divided by L is equal to 1 upon pi square root of mx divided by m dash into dkx dash. These equations we can write here k dash is equal to 2 m raised to half plus e raised to half divided by h cross square. Now differentiating these equations, then finally we get these equations energy E0 is equal to h cross square pi square divided by twice my square d square plus h cross square pi square divided by twice mz d square. This is the one dimensional systems or the one dimensional structure density of states per unit volume with the consider n plus L is equal to 2. It is finally obtained here. Now this is the structure for the quantum wires, that is the energy states versus wave numbers of the particles. This density of states for the quantum wires, this is corresponding to the density of states for the three-dimensional systems. It is also for the comparisons for the quantum wires. Now the density of states, it is the ideal number of quantum wires that shows the characteristics for the energy and the dimensional structures. these quantum wires, it is a singularity occurs for the energy and the quantization for the only x directions. Then next one is the quantum dots. The quantum dots is electrons from in the all three dimensional in dots, that is situation for the analogous and the hydrogen atoms, only discrete energy, and it is possible for electrons, it is trapped to the zero dimensional potentials. This is spacing of these levels depends on the shape of these potentials. The development and the applications of the quantum dot systems is the increasingly important topics for the number of reasons. Both the technicals and the theoretical quantum dots, that is the potential replaces for the potential of nucleus, that is the systems of the fast potential for future technological applications. Now, this is possible for the applications in the memory chips, that is the quantum computations of the quantum dot lasers and the so on. Now, first we will find out the energy for the electrons and the motions of electrons in the all directions one gets from the zero dimensional systems. That is energy En is equal to h cross square pi square n square divided by twice d square into 1 upon mx plus 1 upon my plus 1 upon mz, which is the lowest energy sideband or the subbands, that is the n is equal to 0. Then E0 is equal to h cross square pi square divided by twice m e star d square, that is the me or the mc is equal to 1 upon 3 1 upon mx plus 1 upon my plus 1 upon mz. Then this is called as the conductive of the effective mass, that is the density of states we can find here. This is the schematic representation of the quantum dot, that is the x, y and z planes. Now the density of states, there is a corresponding to the density of states of the three-dimensional systems. It is comparison from the three-dimensional structures. Then this is the size for the quantum well, quantum dots and the quantum wires. This size, it is the thin film size of the photons. That's the structure size depends on the schematic diagram of the temperatures. That is the thin film or the cases for the coordinations photons of the thin films. That is the start from the Boltzmann equations, that is called as the two-dimensional methods.